It actually turned out way better than I expected it to be. Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mir. I am 18 years old. I am a young artist from Malaysia. If you guys are new, welcome to the fam. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, the subscribe button is down below. It is free, just saying. So in today's video we are going to do something a little bit different. I actually got a commission order to make a painting of a cat. I've never made a painting of an animal before, so this is actually something new to me, but I'm up for the challenge. And this is the original photo of the cat that was sent to me. And let's see how well I do the painting, shall we? Let's go! Alright people, let's start the painting process. Today I am using an A3 canvas, just a plain old canvas. And first step is to prime the whole canvas with a thin layer of white paint. This is a necessary step, you guys. You can't really see the paint there, but it's there, I promise you. And it's going to do something. Even Bob Ross tells you to do it, right? Alright, now moving on. This painting, I am using a slightly different technique. Usually I use the lighter color first and then I move towards the darker colors. But this time I am starting with the middle tone, which is this brown color you see. And then I layer it with a lighter color on top, and then another lighter color, which is this one is the lightest color. Alright, let's peel that off real quick. Okay, now that I'm done with the light tones, I'm moving on with the shadows. Since there are two parts of the shadows, I'm using a grey color here first. Peel that off. So good. Alright, now for the last layer, as usual, we are using black for the eyes and the darker the shadows of the fur. Now, I've got some questions from you guys asking what kind of thing I use right there to make my stencils. It's actually just a normal plastic sheet you normally use for your portfolios. It is called a rigid sheet. I'm going to put the name on the screen so you guys can search it up. In case you guys want to do stencils, I really recommend to use this plastic sheet because it is waterproof. You can use it multiple times and it's not that hard to cut through either. It's fairly thin. I've experimented with a few different materials over the years and I think that this is the best one. At least it's the best one that works for me. So if you guys want to try stenciling, I recommend using plastic. It's see-through as well, so it's easier than paper. Alright, peeling off. Back to the painting, shall we? Now I'm doing the background layer. Yes, it's the background layer. I don't want to use flat white, so I mix a little bit of grey and it's slightly off-white. It's a light grey. Peel that off real quick, just the last layer, and we are done. Here's a little montage. Enjoy. Alright guys, that's it. That is how I made this painting of this gato right here. You guys like it? I like it. I say that thing all the time, but I do like it. It actually turned out way better than I expected it to be. So I'm just going to wrap this up and ship it to the customer. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys enjoy. As always, leave a like, comment down below if you guys like it, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Please. That's it. Bye bye. See you guys next time. I love you all. Have a good day. Peace out. You guys rock. Bye bye. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, the subscribe button is down below. Subscribe. The subscribe button. What did it say? Disappointed. Okay, last.